All right. So, continuation of last week's email design session. I was thinking after we kind of all made our own templates, and I realized maybe we were going about it not quite what we had in mind. So, like, think about some of our customers. James, I'm thinking about our education tech customer who's like very modular, right? And then, every time I talk to Grafted and how they kind of make their email design is everything is modular, as in you have buttons, you have heroes, you have paragraphs that you can take from one email and just literally just copy and paste it into another email. And it's very like, it's pretty much drag and drop, but with HTML code, right? If we could copy and paste and drag it in other places, that's kind of what we're going for. So yes, we have email templates, but I mean, all of us worked on it separately, right? Like we all kind of, two of you used chat, Sam and I used drag and drop. It's not modular right now, as in I can't take. It's like, oh, I like the banner here, but I can't take this banner, or maybe I can, but it wasn't designed that way where I can just easily take this banner and put it in the other email, for example. So I thought what we needed was just the starter template, just like how our education customer has. They have an email template called the starter template, which has every single module that they could ever use in an email. And then I think the idea is like you have different buttons, different size heroes, whatever, and you remove what you don't want, and then like that's how you kind of build an email template. You're either removing things, so the only thing left is what you want, or you can think of it as you're just grabbing what you want and making a new template out of it. I think removing might be a little bit better. So what I thought we could do is ask our good friend ChatGPT to give us this full starter template, modular email HTML template that we can kind of reuse, and with the purpose of like we're a lifecycle marketing team, blah blah blah. We're trying to make a bunch of templates, but first we need like a starter guide, like a main template full of email modules. So, questions or thoughts on that before we get to prompting?
I feel like Cursor might be a little bit better for this, but it's just us.
Ooh, or Claude. I think
Yeah,
Claude might
like
be.
it.
Yeah.
Like if you just start with like a full HTML and like drop it in Cursor or Claude and tell it to like basically modulate it as like a little.
Oh. Okay. Mm,
Like in my head, I'm thinking like, if I take this email, we have this type of header. Can you give me modular based email with three different types of headers? And then we have this section. Can you also create a section with an image and then stack it?
mm.
And then it's like that.
Are you saying like we start with one of these as like an example?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I was just gonna ask for a brand new, net new,
Mm.
like
Yeah.
main
Too.
modular template.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's try chat, and then maybe actually let's try cursor/Claude after that too. But
Yeah.
let's prompt it, and I'd actually would love your help on prompting. So I was gonna say something like, I'm gonna use the microphone again, see how good this is. We are hoping to create a fully modular uh, main starter template for our Braze Trivia Lifecycle Marketing email program. Our goal is to use bits and pieces of the modules in this starter template to eventually create separate templates that are appropriate for lifecycle marketing, such as onboarding email, purchase confirmation email, newsletters, so on. Create a fully modular HTML template that includes multiple modules, all sorts of modules, such as heroes, paragraphs, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, images, buttons, header, footer, and all the other things that might be necessary in lifecycle marketing email program. Our team main color is 0741 AD. Okay, thoughts on this prompt so far? And it's a little small, so let me see if I can make it bigger for us. So yeah, thoughts on the prompt so far?
I think that's good. I think the only thing I'd say was for additional context. I mean, which I think is going to do it, but like we should be able to delete sections and like create an email if that makes sense without any other adjustments.
Okay. Actually, that's a really good point. And I was also gonna tell it to add comments too. Make sure there are clear and concise comments after each module, so it's very easy for anyone to see where a module starts and ends. And make sure that we can easily add or delete modules and switch around placements, and the email stays correct and not broken. Anything else to add? Let's see. Okay. Fully modular main starter template for a brace strip, blah blah blah. You bits and module, blah blah blah. And actually, I was also gonna ask, like, give us some suggestions on, or I guess after we have the starter template, that's kind of what you were saying, Payne, is like just feed it that again and be like, okay, pull the right modules and remove sections so we have a onboarding email. Okay. Should I go for it? And also, how good was that typing? Like,
I didn't realize it was also going on.
wait, say that again?
I didn't realize it was going on the left too.
Oh no, I
think
just
it's.
copy and pasted that in there.
Oh, did you? Okay, I was
Yeah. But I just turned my MacBook keyboard microphone on, and I mean, I spoke pretty clearly, but I always say I'm a fast typer. I'll never be as fast as my R speaking pace. Like, that was so good. There's actually no typos in here at all. So everyone watching this, definitely check out your MacBook microphone. It is a game changer. Okay, let's see what it gives us. All right. And actually, do either one of you want to copy and paste this template and then try putting it in Claude and see what you get? I guess this is what we could have done. We all like kind of create our own starter template and see like whose emails we like the best. Let me go ahead and share this in our Slack. Actually, maybe I can just chat it in our Riverside studio chat. If anyone has Claude open, but okay. You can use them as main Lego box. I think it says Lego box because I told it last night. I was brainstorming and I used the word Lego box, but it is literally a Lego box. I think that's what an email like modular program is. It's a box of Legos. Hopefully we don't run out of context. And then to take it one step further, and I'm not saying this is the best method, but I've seen customers and I've seen teams and we have customers who put everything in content blocks. So the CSS is a content block, and the paragraph is a content block. Button is a content block. That way, it's like you have global control. Anytime you need to change a color or change whatever, it just gets done in one place. James, we've clearly seen the pros and cons of overusage of content blocks, and also content blocks can only go down to grandparent level. So if you have content blocks using other content blocks, that breaks. But you can have content blocks using other content blocks just right there. So, but it's something to think about though. Like, how many projects have we had where we're literally in there opening 100 emails and changing out the footer and updating the year from 2024 to 2025 to 2026? We might get a few projects in a few months asking for, obviously it's never that simple, but it's like a footer rebrand or adding unsubscribe links or adding email preference centers to footers. And honestly, like, we'll take it. It's work, it's business for us, but I think, as consultants, we need to tell our customers, like, we need to be more modular and global and make efficient changes. Like, we'd rather help our customers with more meaningful work than changing out footers for 100 campaigns. Um, okay, it's giving me quite a bit. Oh, it's still going, but we're at social footer now, so I'm excited to see what this looks like.
I'm running it in cursor as well. So
Okay. And check this out. If you'd like, I don't know if you can see this, map specific lifecycle flows to which modules to keep removed for each template so your team has a quick recipe for every email type. Amazing. I wish I could zoom in a little bit more here, but I can't. Okay, I'm going to copy this HTML. And then create it. I hope you're all excited to see this visual as I am. But I was our modular HTML starter template. Alan. Peyton, feel free to upload yours too. But I should call it HTML starter template. That's fine. HTML code. Okay, boom. Okay. View in browser, play leaderboard prizes. Okay, 2-column, 3-column. What do you call this little like mini hero? A little receipt box. And obviously we need to insert images in all of them. How often will I get emails? Okay. Thoughts on this so far?
I'm trying to see what I got. So let me see.
Okay.
I'll put
Share.
mine in there too.
Okay. It's like we all use probably similar prompts, but like let's see how creative these different agents can get, right? It's okay. Maybe we all should have told it to use a placeholder image. Actually, there probably is a placeholder image. Like all the image. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they probably use this everywhere. Oh no, never mind. Placeholder text trivia night. We could probably do this actually. They probably use the same. Oh my gosh, never mind. Okay, one is like 140 by 40. Oh, they're different sizes. Okay, so I guess while you two load yours, like the idea is, we have the starter template. It has all these modules, like like Peyton. You know how for our healthcare customer, we're always like looking at email templates and saying, okay, which module should we borrow from this? It's kind of like that. We're building like our like our menu of modules. I like this little thing, but it could be a little bit better.
Just to remind me, I actually don't have placeholders.
Okay, that's okay. Save template. Let's see. Peyton star template module. Ooh. All right. Let's see. Brace trivia logo hero image. Okay. Okay. And what did you use?
Cursor.
Okay. Cursor, not Claude.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay. James, did you use Claude?
I used cursor too.
Oh, okay, that's okay. And I wonder how many of these modules, like, can I take your modules here and then put it into my template? I wonder if the templates are cross-functional like that.
You have to check the classes that you use
Yeah,
CSS because it's
right.
just
So I feel like we choose one person's template and go for it. I actually like yours better than mine as of right now. Yeah, like I mean, it gives us more, and then we could probably, whoever's we choose, we could probably say like, okay, give me more like modules with your CSS. Ooh, I like this much better, honestly. Yeah, look at that. So footer actually looks like a footer. Let me go back to mine. This chat was not so good after all. Come on, chat. Open James's, and then mine. Oh, I went backwards. Okay, Sam, did you give it a try? No worries if you didn't.
Yeah, it's running.
Okay, what did you use?
I use Claw.
Oh, let's go. Now another different. Okay, actually, mine's not terrible. I shouldn't give chat too much. Okay, now let's look at James's. I feel like James's last time gave us this little brain too.
Yeah.
I guess there is definitely. Yeah, yours looked like this last time. There is definitely an aspect of context. Okay, yours uses a different font. I kind of like James's too, actually. I like James's, but I think Peyton's has more like modules. But I guess that doesn't matter because we can say like, okay, give me something that looks like this to any one of ours. I like the rounded edges on James's, and the font is. I mean, I guess ideally we stay consistent with our team font. Our website font is Inter, which I think is also very very common font. But it's called Inter if we want to tell any of ours to change it. Where do you think I can change fonts easily? Font family, Apple system.
I
Not
would
so far.
command that for font family and see if it's like referenced in every single.
There's only two, so we could James. You could probably just tell yours to use Inter actually.
Yeah, yeah. This is
Uh,
just referencing.
yeah, I actually like James's design. I love the rounded. I think the font could change, but I kind of like this thing, and then we'll use some of modules made in Peyton's. And it's not like any of you made it. It's your agents that made it, but still, we'll give you all the credit. Um, Sam, is yours ready?
Yeah, I'm saving it right now.
Okay. Yeah, I like this important announcement a lot, and I like the we're literally gonna send your achievements for how many trivias they answered. So, okay. Oh, this is so fun.
I love the comments in my or I guess in everybody's templates.
Like the section breakers.
Yeah, like in the actual code, like makes
It's
things
like
so clear.
it's so crystal clear, and we always say comments should be recommended, but one of our customers told us too many comments start breaking your emails, like clipping them. I mean, I think they have a really heavy email, but yeah, I mean, you have something like this, like it's crystal clear what sections start where. And the thing is, just 3-4 years ago, HTML developers were making their own set of comments, and after every module update, you have to remember to put the start and end. And there's very disciplined people who do it really well, but I mean, our agents just did it for us in 2 minutes. Like that's the world we live in. It's insane. All right, Sam.
I just save it.
Okay, and this will take us right to the end. Watch Sam's. Nope. Are you here? Did you? Did you save it or did you publish it?
I save it. It's in email template, I think.
Are you in Braze Trivia?
Oh no, I'm in all for now marketing.
Yeah, that's okay. I think we got to get rid of that. The workspace is always throw us off. That's okay. If it's HTML, we can easily just copy and paste. So okay. Column to column through column. Oh, it like literally took my get more. Another. I like the special announcement. Okay. Thoughts here? We're like showing
But
off
for each one, there's pieces that we can steal from each.
Yeah. I agree. Okay. I would love to keep James's CSS with the font changed, maybe, or maybe we can even keep the font and definitely steal modules from each of ours and see which ones we like, and then we can probably take screenshots, and then you might have to feed it to James and tell James's chat like, "Hey, make a module for this, similar to this."
Well,
Can we all
I
just
mean,
pick?
it
Yeah.
in theory, we have James Nation, so we all just
Oh,
go.
true. Yeah.
Yeah.
True. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll wrap it up here, but can we all take 5 minutes to pick our favorite modules and from your own template, and then put it into James's HTML, I guess. Like let's add. Well, I guess how would that work? Can we actually just send it to James in our Dream Team chat, and then James, can you run it one more time and then create new modules?
Yeah.
I think it's
Are
easiest
you saying
if you update your code versus all of us grabbing your code, updating it. Like we're all gonna have different like modules added.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's do that. Cool. And this is like people, used to pay email designers like, for kind of starter templates like this. And now we have Cursor. I guess James's Cursor wins the CSS award for this one. So cool. Awesome. We'll call it there. Thank you all. We'll see you next week.